Righto guys, so back with the Hilux. We ended up getting, we got some new gaskets, got the air cleaner on, had to cut a bit of the bonnet, and it fits perfect. Fixed this oil leak, and we've got a head gasket leak. So I'm pulling the heads today, which is great. So I'm just going to start pulling apart the engine again. And it's my fault because it's not tuned, and I took it down to the boys and they tidied it up, tied the tune up a bit. But when I was coming back, it was super hot, got stuck in traffic. Car got up to about, I think it was like, what was it, about 120 degrees, I think. And didn't like that. So we're leaking out of one of the head bolts down here. I think it is that one there. So yeah, I'm going to set you guys up and we're just going to go for it here, which is awesome. All right, so got the head off. Doesn't seem to be any damage in here, which is good. I can't really see anything on the heads either. So it was leaking through, pretty sure, this bolt here. So we're looking right here. Doesn't really seem to be anything there, so and nothing really here. So I don't even know what I'm looking at, but just talked to Mick and he said it can be hard on these. But anyway, I'm not really keen to take the other one off. I think that's happy sitting there, but I mean, knowing me, I'll have to I'll probably end up having to pull the bastard off anyway, but for now, I'm just going to leave that like that. And then get some new head gaskets and go from there. But I don't know what's going on. It seems to be okay. But unless that head's warped or something, which it could be because it's off the Monaro, everyone knows the sort of punishment that thing went through. So for now, I think that's pretty good. Not bad for a couple of hours. Or an hour. What time is it? 2:40? Yeah, 2:20. Sweet. So, bit of a cleanup, I guess, is probably the best thing to do. But I mean, this is the second time I've done this, so yeah, might just leave the other one for now. See what Mick reckons, because can't be fucking pulling all that off, and that one's not leaking, so it's mainly just this one. We do have a leak in the radiator, so we might need a new radiator. Let's go up and have a look at that. While we're at it, might go down the hill and get some fuel for the HX. Come back in traffic. Yeah, no, I ain't doing it. Who am I kidding? Or I could. I might drive it tomorrow. Go lunch with Sam Pepper. So maybe I should just go and do that. Find out where the closest DA5 is. Which is like the airport, I reckon. I'm sure that's going through the fucking roof too, like everything else. Still feeling water out here. Oh no, I don't think it was the radiator. I think it worked out it was the hose. That hose there is just only slightly on. Have a look at this bloke. Coming up with a push bike. I'm keen to go for a pedal with me tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back. We're a bit of an update with the Hilux. Heads are off. And we have some new head gaskets, some thicker head gaskets. And they are much bigger. So then hopefully get rid of the rattling noise that it's sort of had, because we think that they were sort of hitting a little bit. We've got some ARP head studs, because I guess this thing might get some boost down the track. But yeah, so I'm going to clean up the heads a little bit today and start sort of slapping this back together, because no one likes a dead car. But I'm going to throw some tunes on, set you guys up, and go from there. Another Hilux update, and Jace has talked down the heads. Well, we did the one, and I had to go to football training last night, so then Jace did the rest. So we're all ready to go. We're going to put the rockers and valves in, not valves. So yeah, going to put the rest of it together today, hopefully. I'm just going to set these up here and just keep tinkering along. I want to pull the radiator fan out, because that one's just underpowered, so gonna pull this off, but I want to do this first. And yeah, so we can put all that back together, and go from there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna finish putting the heads together and go from there. Alright guys, now that is going to do it for that video. We've got our leads back on, spark plugs in, everything pretty much plumbed up, except a few wires and stuff like that. And we've got the thermo fan I just put in the front seat. Put some more interior stuff in, so we have, that looks a little bit cleaner. Under here, I've put the bottom bit in here. I got to go steal the bonnet latch from Mildred. There's the thermo fan. So she's pretty much ready. It's going to be it's booked in at the boys on the 22nd, so I'm gonna drop that down there then, and then hopefully a tune, thermo fan on, and hook the rest of these wires up and stuff like that, and then she's back on the road ready to go. Probably needs another air filter, not air filter, oil filter. And yeah, she's good to go. So a little bit of a process getting the heads and everything off again, but we've got ARP head studs and all the good stuff in there. So she's ready to go. And yeah, like I said, it's going to do it for that video. Pretty well, yeah, next video on this will be on the dyno and going from there. So, and then probably some wheels, maybe wheels and tires, or just tires on these rims. And then the Hilux is a runner, so I'm trying not to break it again. But in the shed, mum and dad are in here. Owen's always never too far away. Nice and clean. Officially out of the warehouse as well, guys. It's a bit of a sad day getting out of there, but I'm pretty relieved to have everything up here. And got the tyre, mounted that yesterday. So yeah, literally have everything here, and I'm pretty pumped to be out of there. It's sad that I'm not going to be having any events there anymore, but I'm sure we'll find something down the track, I guess, once I establish exactly what I want to do, because God knows what I want to do. But yeah, that'll do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.